Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix GCash app error OT50. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we fix this issue here? Well, the first thing you need to do here is you need to guarantee that you're using the latest version of GCash. So in this case, you could go ahead and go and visit Google Play Store here, search for GCash, and from here, make sure that you've updated it. Now, if you see an update button here, go ahead and click on it and wait for it to update. Now, once it's fully updated, you could go ahead and open up GCash again and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing you want to do here is to basically clear your cache. Now, if you're not aware yet, your cache actually contains temporary files, so clearing your cache can sometimes solve this issue. So in this case, go ahead and locate GCash here, press and hold on it, click on App Info, and from here, click on Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen. Choose Clear Cache, click on OK, and that should clear your cache. Now, what we need to do next here is we just need to see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the final method that you could do here is to basically uninstall GCache and reinstall it again. Sometimes a good reinstall into your device can solve a lot of issues. Then make sure to restart your device as well and see again if that solves the issue. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.